Display your beautiful chocolates in one of our white chocolate boxes. Hi, I'm Mel from Boxed. These chocolate boxes are finished in a glossy white. They feature convenient dividers that will individually showcase your chocolates so that your customers can see how much work and effort has gone into preparing each piece. Elegantly decorate the box with your company's sticker, and the gloss white finish will allow you to easily wipe them over if they happen to get dirty. Here at Boxed, there's no need for an account or an ABN, and best of all, we ship all orders express. We've made sure our packaging is readily available to everyone. Each box will come flat packed and assembly is required. They're easy to put together, and we'll touch on that a little later. Now, thanks to the sturdy design, the boxes won't collapse when stacked on top of each other, making them ideal for showcasing in shop fronts. There's also a lid that'll protect your chocolates for safe, contactless purchasing. Our chocolate boxes come in various sizes and are ideal for chocolate stores big and small. So whether you're a small business working from home or a more extensive shop with a commercial kitchen, our chocolate boxes make the perfect storage for all your little treats. Now, as promised, I'm going to show you how simple assembly is. Let's take a look down here. Now, make sure you have the glossy side face down, and then you're just going to start folding in each side. Now, it's very easy to follow because you'll see the lines on the box there. Okay, now from there, you're going to see in the side, there's a little corner that you can pinch. And if you just do the same over the other side here, squeeze that in, push it down. And if you just pop those sides down and then push that one in, it'll just pop into place there. We're going to flick it around and again, just push straight down. It's as simple as that. So you have the box ready there. Then we're going to come over and do the insert. Now what we're going to do here is just pinch up in the middle, and then you're going to come over to the side here and you're going to fold these ones up and do that one again there, and up and do that one again there. You're going to pinch it together into your box, and you'll notice that it fits perfectly and slides in really easily, so you have your 4 spots in there. Then you're going to come over and grab your plastic sleeve. You're going to open that up, and again, the folds are really easy because you can see the lines there. Do it again on this side. Now you'll notice I've still left the protective coating on right until the end, so you can keep it nice and clean. There we go, and you'll notice how easily that slides on. And then the last thing I'm going to do is just peel it off, and there you have it. Okay, so it's great because there's no need for glue or staples. So if you're after a box that's both elegant and practical, then our chocolate boxes in white are a perfect choice. Thank you so much for watching.